Why do people believe in the 6 realms of reincarnation? You can tell by your appearance. In which past life did you reincarnate? What are the 6 realms of reincarnation? The 6 realms of reincarnation are an important concept in Buddhism. Refers to life after death. According to the previous British, will be reincarnated into 6 different realms and 6 realms. These 6 realms are respectively the heavenly Tao and the heavenly realm. Humanity is the way of the human asura, which is the way of the devil. Animal road is the animal kingdom. Evil ghost Tao is the evil ghost realm. Hell is hell. Buddhism holds that everyone has their own Yi Li and British retribution. These factors determine that they will be in the next reincarnation, the world and identity to be incarnated. So how do you tell? Which of the 6 realms does a person belong to? What about reincarnation? In fact, all of this can be seen from a person's appearance. From the 6 paths, various reincarnations bring some unique habits to people. Through these habits, we can judge ourselves or others. Which reincarnation did it come from? About these habits, in the midst of a storm. It is detailed in volume 72. Here, the master has made a generalization. Simple method of judgment. I'm sure everyone can tell. The first, heavenly Tao. The heavenly Tao in the 6 reincarnations. It refers to the realm where life is reincarnated to the celestial realm. In Buddhism, heavenly Tao refers to the realm where living beings are reincarnated to the heavens. God realm is considered the highest of the 6 realms. In the heavens, living beings enjoy endless happiness and ease and enjoyment. Superior living conditions. But there is also the danger of reincarnation. Because of the blessings possessed by the creatures of the heavenly calamity, there will be a day when it will run out, when its benefits are exhausted, will be transferred to other realms again. Continue to go through the cycle of life and death. If all beings are reincarnated from heaven or earth, how is it judged? The following is how to judge reincarnation from heaven to earth. If the 5 realms are repaired by all beings, can ascend to heaven to guard the holy temple moon. When born from heaven and earth. Stern looking. Crew construction. Good looks. He is intelligent, happy, and pure. I usually like to wear hua huan, incense. Long love, immortal tribulation. A good and virtuous person can only lead others. Smiling. Have a go. Speech is soft. According to clever and convenient. It was honest. Make everyone who listens believe it. Happy speech doesn't hurt. Great wisdom. If you become a teacher, you will practice diligently. Pure thinking. Study feud. No harm to world fame and fortune. Just ask for the supreme Bodhi. The second, humanity. Humanity in the 6 paths of reincarnation. It refers to the realm where life is reincarnated into the human world. In Buddhism, humanity refers to the realm in which living beings are reincarnated into the human world. That is the human world we live in. Human. It's a place full of all kinds of lives and experiences. People have reason and free will. Can pass the repair, works and good deeds to pursue liberation and wisdom. In the world, creatures face all kinds of joys, pain, difficulties, and challenges. You can practice compassion and wisdom to accumulate merit, so as to break free from the shackles of the cycle of life and death. Achieve liberation. If you go from human to reincarnated human beings, how is it judged? The following is how to judge from human to reincarnation. Humans to reincarnations are usually relatively balanced. Harmonious face. Nothing, obviously, too bad or overly beautiful features. Their facial features may not stick out, but the overall appearance will give a sense of comfort. A sense of harmony. The facial features will appear dignified and natural, not overly exaggerated or abnormal. Lips may rise slightly. Gives a kind feeling. The eyes of the person to the statement of reincarnation usually appears bright, clear, reveals an inner depth and clarity. Facial lines may appear soft and smooth, not too angular or deliberately embellished. Their expressions are usually gentle and steady, not overly ecstatic or angry. It's about expressing inner peace and confidence. Third Asura Road. Asura path in the 6 reincarnations, also known as the devil, refers to the realm of life reincarnation. In Buddhism, Asura is a creature full of greed and obsession. They are often described as having great desires, extreme and fighting spirit. Asura often talks with the gods in the heavens, fail in battle, and turn to the devil. They live a life full of controversy in a challenging and painful environment, unable to achieve true happiness and contentment. In the devil, Asuras go through endless suffering and suffering. They are due to greed, the driving force of negative emotions such as extreme and anger, caught in endless fights and strife. Can't get relief. Although they are in some ways possessing extraordinary strength and ability, but due to the greed and obsession in my heart, they can never really find inner peace, calmness, and contentment. Therefore, Asura Tao is considered to be an unfortunate state in the 6 realms of reincarnation. Creatures need to go through pain and suffering until they can break free from the constraints of negative emotions, reincarnated to a higher realm. If all beings are reincarnated from the Asura path, how is it judged? The following is a judgment from Asura Tao. Reincarnation method. His appearance is arrogant. My heart is very strong. Not a big believer in popular debate. Occasional entry into Buddhism. Motives are not simple. Fight. Break for profit, hee. Damage same door. Get angry at every turn. I love to fight with people. Very chivalrous. Very good at college. Hatred. You hate people. Academy revenge. Don't stop until you bring down others. There was no one else. Can't see. People are so jealous. So nausea. The body is tall and bright red. More whites. The eyes are round and angry. Thinning teeth. The pointed teeth are exposed. Brave and powerful. I always think about how to fight. Like joy in the wild. War game. Because of these, after this person dies, he directly falls into the early stage of hell. After that, he will incarnate into other evil realms with the leopard. Finally fell into the path of Asura. Fourth Hell Road. In Hell Island, all beings, because of the evil karma they created in their previous lives, and suffering. This is often described as being exposed to fire, criminal law, torture, and other tortures. Hell's Road is not a geographical location. It's a state of mind. Represents the state of suffering caused by bad karma. The existence of hell. It also reminds all beings to be vigilant against their own actions. Avoid evil karma. To avoid suffering in samsara. In Buddhism and Hinduism, through spiritual practice and good deeds, all beings can escape the 6 realms of reincarnation, reach the state of liberation. If all beings from hell to reincarnation, how is it judged? Here's how to judge from hell to reincarnation. Listen to his voice in life. Ripped like a donkey luo is sounding. It was really loud. And it's hurried and violent and impatient. This person often says, but does not believe. And how crazy. Unbelievable. Like a person without relatives and friends. This person is ugly and disrespectful to the teacher. Do not believe in the Dharma. Unfilial injustice. No shame. This person has a short life and will not live long. Seeing goodness is difficult to send a Bodhi heart. From the above, it is indicated that this kind of person is reborn into humanity from the path of hell, destined to fall into the 3 evil islands after death. Blessed one. Such evil names as those who are confused. Karma. I don't know what is good. I don't know the signs of all living beings mentioned above. The 5th animal path, the animal path in the 6 realms of reincarnation, refers to a state of life and death representation. All beings because of the evil karma they created in their previous lives. The state of being reborn as an animal. In Buddhist and Hindu concepts, animals are not just animals on earth. It also includes other biological forms, like aquatic organisms, birds in the sky, etc. The existence of animal medicine means that all beings fall into a low category. Restricted state. It's driven by instinct. It's hard to escape the cycle of life and death. In animal lane, all beings can go through all kinds of pain. That includes hunger, thirst for survival, etc. The concept of animal life emphasizes British retribution and the gratuitousness of life. Reminds sentient beings to treat their actions with caution. Avoid bad karma. To avoid falling into an unfavorable life and death situation. Through spiritual practice and good deeds, all beings can get rid of the animal way. Achieve liberation. If the beings from the animal path are transferred to the human world, how is it judged? The following is how to judge from animal to reincarnation. This man is dull, stupid and less wise. Out of proportion, slack laziness, gluttony, many thicknesses. This person is strong. In Chandan's belly, be strong. Like a cow. Suitable to move at noon. People who like to make friends with fish ponds, as a close friend. Lying on the ground anytime, anywhere. I'm not avoiding dirt. Such beings go back and forth to the evil way by wandering life and death. Uncountable calamity. Years are rare here, but this person is still the same. Therefore, after death, there will be a sea of misery. Fall into the animal lane. The 6th devil. The evil ghost Tao in the 6 reincarnations. It's a kind of life and death realm. It means that all beings have done evil karma in their previous lives. The state of being reborn as a demon. In Buddhist and Hindu concepts, evil ghosts are also called machine ghosts. It's a great hunger. It's hard to get enough of. The existence of evil orbits. It means that all beings are trapped in extreme thirst and greed. But it cannot be satisfied. Pain and suffering. Demons are often described as having a lot of money and a lot of money. Skinny throat as thin as a needle and other characteristics. symbolizes their hunger and greed. In the crocodile track, the greed and greed of all beings, trapping them in an endless thirst, unable to achieve true satisfaction and liberation. So the existence of the evil orbit is also a reminder. Warn all beings to be vigilant against their own greed and greed. Avoid falling into endless craving. Through spiritual practice and good deeds, all beings can escape from the evil track, achieve liberation. If all beings are reincarnated from the path of evil ghosts, how is it judged? The following is the method for judging the reincarnation from the evil ghost path. Looks dark and thin. Matte. Short hair, goose yellow red face, ugly shape. The nose is angry, the eyes are fierce, and the whites of the eyes are exposed. Stare straight. Very humble, greedy, and jealous. I was terrified to see the officials. Persistent evil. Behind the scenes. Speak ill of people. Tired of good people. Dislike good deeds. Only believe in evil. This kind of person goes to hell first. After countless years, come out of hell. Generating ghosts, so round and round, life and death, endless.